Hello, I'm Allison. Welcome to Pechanga Resort Casino. Today, we're going to learn how to play Baccarat. Due to its highly social nature, Baccarat is one of the easiest and most exciting games to learn as a beginner. The object of Baccarat is to get a point total nearest to 9. You are placing a wager on whether the banker or the player will have a winning hand. Keep in mind that the titles of banker and player do not correspond to a specific person. They are simply names to help distinguish between the two sides on which you may place a bet. You have the option of making 3 different bets: the banker, player, or tie. Of course, bets cannot be placed on both the banker and the player. The cards are worth face value with the exception of 10, Jack, Queen, and King, which have no value. They equal 0. The ace has a total point value of 1. This is because in Baccarat, only single digits are valid. For example, if a hand were to be dealt with a pair of 8s for a total of 16, the first digit would be dropped, making the actual total 6. At this point, no more bets are allowed, and all bets that have been placed are not allowed to be altered. One of the great things about Baccarat is that the dealer really does all the work. So now you just get to sit back and watch how it plays out. In this hand, the player shows a 6 and stays. Banker has a 5 and hits. Remember, the object is to get closest to 9. Note that the dealer drew a 3rd card for the banker. There are a predetermined set of rules known as the 3rd card rule, which determine whether or not a 3rd card must be drawn. Fortunately, you do not need to be aware of those rules. If a 3rd card is drawn, the new totals are compared to see which one is the winning hand. Here, the dealer drew a 4, bringing the point total for the banker to 9. Banker now has 9 over 6, so banker wins. My bet pays off. In Baccarat, winning wagers receive even money. Here, the player has a natural 9, which means they received a 9 on their original hand without hitting or drawing a 3rd card. Since queens are valued at 0, the banker received a 2. Player wins as no additional cards are drawn for either side in the event of a natural. In the case that there's a tie but no players bet on it, no one loses. Instead, the banker and player bets push. In addition to those 3 bets, you may also place a wager on the dragon or the panda bet. Both of these wagers pay odds on outcome of specific hands. The dragon wager is considered a win if the banker wins with a 3-card total of 7. A panda wager win occurs if the player has a 3-card total of 8 and wins the hand. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed with all this, don't worry too much about side bets. Just focus on learning the basics first. When you feel comfortable enough, you can try your luck with side bets. To learn more about Baccarat, be sure to ask one of our friendly dealers. They are always here to help. For more How to Play episodes, visit our YouTube and in-room channels. I'm Allison. On behalf of Pechanga Resort Casino, we wish you the best of luck, and we hope to see you soon.